When we adopted tech-enabled solutions, when we moved from a traditional method to a algorithm-driven method, for some of our core work types we saw up to 8 times increase in efficiencies.
So BVT is always keen to be quite relevant in the technical aspect, and so the way that we are doing that is trying to autonomize as many of our spreadsheets and processes as possible. So it's a pretty classic old school method, is engineers like to do things by hand, which while can be quite enjoyable, definitely takes a lot of time and it's quite tedious if you make any mistakes. Well, BVT is trying to completely revolutionise that by autonomising as much of the calculations as possible, which leaves the engineers with a lot more time to be able to talk to clients and have a lot more of the soft skills with these things.
We use Matterport to record data from racking, so we can go on site and completely 3D photometric view of the warehouse, which is essentially just a Google Maps version of a warehouse.
We've spent a lot of time developing these engineering tools that help us take on various projects that clients throw to us.
I would say BVT is very progressive in the way that we use technology. It's actually quite interesting talking to other engineers from different firms and saying that all our software uses Google Drive and all our calculations are based off a cloud. This is very different than the normal engineering world, and it's cool being part of a company that is the start of the new age of engineering.